Hi, today I'll be showing you the benefits of natural farming. As you can see, this is a field in which chemical fertilizers are used, and you can see there's no earthworm. You cannot find any presence of earthworm. Now, I'll show you a field which is just beside this field. You can see here, you can easily see the presence of earthworm. This is the place where I had the nursery of my dhan, and you can see there has been a lot of earthworms in this place. You can easily see it. Now this is the place where I transplanted my dhan from the nursery, and you can see here also there's abundance of earthworms everywhere. This is the first time I am doing natural farming. Before that, at this very place, chemical fertilizers were used, but you can see in just a period of 1 to 2 months, my land has transformed drastically. In just a period of 1 to 1.5 months, just because of using Jivamrit, Ghan Jivamrit and liquid Jivamrit, the land has got filled with earthworms. Now this is again a field which is just beside my field. Here also you can see there's no presence of earthworm. They have used urea and DAP in their field. Thank you.